Good morning, everyone. Truly appreciate your commitment and your drive, your curiosity to attend this magic morning session. So, what is magic morning? Before we go deep into that, let me welcome you and let me align you with the intention. Why, why have we started this magic morning session? So you can look at it as just the celebration of something, celebration of manifestation or celebration of success. Just 1 year before this date, that means 19th of September in 2023, I founded my company Elevate Yourself Hub with the intention of empowering humanity. And in this 1 year, I have been so fortunate to come in contact with amazing people to transform multiple lives through one on one coaching and group coaching programs. So, this is just the celebration and a way of saying thank you to the universe. So, these magic morning sessions are going to be based on secrets of manifestation. दो वी थिंक दैट मैनिफेस्टेशन इज सिंपल, आप जो सोचते हो वो परिवर्तित हो जाता है रियलिटी में. व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट यू ब्रिंग अबाउट. एब्सोल्युटली राइट, इट इज सिंपल, बट द फाउंडेशन इज ऑलवेज अबाउट अलाइनमेंट. I feel that if you are ready, you can learn manifestation in 5 days, and if you're curious, then even 5 6 years will also be less. I'm learning manifestation, implementing it since childhood, but actively focusing on manifestation practices from a different perspective since 6 years. And still, I find that there are so many new things. And the more and more I conduct such sessions for you, I feel that more and more we all together can dive deeper into it and extract more secrets. So let's become gold diggers about manifestation, because if you are searching for manifestation secrets, universe will open more and more for you. ऐसा होता है ना, जैसे you might have observed yourself, if you are looking for faults in someone, your mind will give you a long list, right? And when you start thinking about good things about that person, you will have some efforts or you will have to do some extra inner work. But then you will also come to know, oh, it is not just one or two, there are 5 6 10. Oh my god, there are many multiple good things in this person. So do you know the secret of manifestation? The secret of manifestation lie in your mind. And that's why in the training sessions of manifestation, my main work is to help my mentees to work on their mind. Why mind? Because if you have this mindset of attracting what you want, if you have manifestation mindset, you will be a great manifestation practitioner. And why do we need to practice? Why do we need to train ourselves? Because the biggest enemy, listen carefully, the biggest enemy that is present in between you and your dreams and desires is no one but your mind. It is your mind. So how many of you agree? If yes, then just type yes in the chat box so that I can just know that you are there, you agree with it or you disagree with it. It's absolutely okay. What has been your experience? Your mind, right? And how does this mind create troubles or things like which are struggles, you can say, challenges? There are different words. So many people have this habit of labeling the words also positive and negative, but this is the mind which will say, like the moment you start looking at the brighter side of your relationships, for example your spouse, your child, or your parent, and then you said, wow, so nice and this is good, and your mind, it is like someone else is speaking inside your head. No, but do you remember last time when you had said that they had been so ungrateful, or they had shouted or screamed, or they had not done this thing properly, or the things were not as you wanted to be? So how can you think good about them? So let me help you to find out faults. and your mind will show you so many faults and bad things about that. And this is not just true about you. If you feel that मेरे ही अंदर कोई प्रॉब्लम है यार, मेरा ना कभी कभी दिमाग काम नहीं करता है, आई डोंट नो गुस्से में मैंने क्या बोल दिया, मुझसे गलती हो गई, लगता है ना हमें भी कभी कभी कि हमसे गलती हो गई, रिलेशनशिप में गलती से कुछ बोल दिया. सो इन दिस 5 days आई वॉन्ट यू टू बिलीव. सो टुडे इट इज बिलीफ बिल्डिंग सेशन, इंट्रोडक्शन. आपको ये बिलीव करना है आज से, however you are, whatever you are, and whoever you are just perfect and normal. सबसे पहले तो if you believe in this, you are perfect and you are normal and you are already amazing in your own space, then the next 5 days are just going to be our training journey, right? It's a training journey. It is not about making yourself perfect. There is a difference between perfection and excellence. If I want to if I want to do some work in my clinic, for example, if I want to give a perfect crown to my patient, then I will not be able to train my lab technicians to make a perfect crown. But if I feel that let me give this person the excellent crown by which this person can chew, the failure rate will be absolutely negligible and he will not have to worry about crown hai ki tooth hai, confuse hi ho jaye. You should feel like it's a natural one. So when my intention is to give the excellent service, excellent product, now I am not behind perfection. And when I am not behind perfection, what happens is my mind is relaxed. Now imagine if someone comes there and asks me, yeah, your work is to give perfect work. Perfect. Oh, now in every work, नहीं मुझे perfect करना है, perfect करना है, perfect करना है. Your mind will be like, you're not perfect. Perfect क्या ये है? परफेक्ट का एक डेफिनेशन है हमारे माइंड में. परफेक्ट स्पाउस, परफेक्ट पेरेंट, परफेक्ट चाइल्ड. और ये कहाँ से आता है? परफेक्शन है ना, कभी एक चीज में नहीं होता है, एक चीज में समाता नहीं है. आप देखो अपने आसपास, कभी आपको एक इंसान में उसके, बच्चों में देख लो, किसी बच्चे की पढ़ाई की क्वालिटी अच्छी, किसी बच्चे के मार्क्स अच्छे, कोई बच्चा बड़ा प्यार से बात करता है, कोई बच्चा बड़ा रिस्पेक्टफुल है, कोई बच्चा स्टेज फियर नहीं है तो बहुत अच्छे से स्पीच दे सकता है, या कोई बच्चा जो है उसका बड़ा बिजनेस माइंड है, कोई बच्चा जो है वो पीआर मतलब लोगों से कनेक्शन करने में बहुत अच्छा है. और हम बहुत सारे, हमारा माइंड है ना, बहुत सारे लोगों की एक एक क्वालिटी पिकअप करता है. यहाँ से ये लो, इसका ये, इसका ये, इसका ये, इसका ये. फिर हमारा माइंड क्या करता है, इमेज क्रिएट करता है, और ये सारी जो हमने अलग अलग जगहों से चीजें लिए वो उस इमेज में डाल देता है. दिस इज परफेक्ट फॉर मी, सो लेट मी फाइंड आउट समवन हु इज परफेक्ट just like the image in my head. And when you go out in the real world, you come across your own child and you feel like, "Ah, my child is like this." मतलब इसे, मुझे तो लगा था कि रिस्पेक्टफुल होना चाहिए बड़ों के लिए, लेकिन दिस पर्सन इज सो एरोगेंट, he or she is so irresponsible. मतलब मैंने तो सोचा था माय चाइल्ड शुड गो आउट इन द स्टेज और वहां से बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो, ये तो उसके अपोजिट है. अभी इसको तो परफेक्ट बनाना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज नॉट जस्ट ट्रू अबाउट योर चाइल्ड, दिस इज ट्रू अबाउट योर स्पाउस, दिस इज ट्रू अबाउट योर पेरेंट. मुझे ही ऐसे पेरेंट्स क्यों मिले यार, थोड़ा सा मतलब ये चीज थोड़ी सी. बाकी पेरेंट्स तो कितना सपोर्ट करते हैं, कितना ये करते हैं, लेकिन हमारे पेरेंट्स ने तो हमको कुछ भी नहीं दिया. And when you are constantly looking for that perfect thing, often you get disappointed. This is not just true about people, this is true about your money area also. This is true about your relationships also, right? So how many of you feel that unknowingly you keep looking for perfection? Even if you know, logically you know that perfection exists nahi karta hai. I have not told you anything new. देयर इज नो न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट कि परफेक्शन, आपको पता है परफेक्शन एग्जिस्ट नहीं. इनफैक्ट आप खुद भी आपके बच्चों को बताते भी होंगे, लेकिन आपको क्या आपको अंदर से देखो, अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में देखो कि कहीं ना कहीं लाइफ में आपने खुद से ही परफेक्शन एक्सपेक्ट की है। हो सकता है आपके हिसाब से परफेक्ट मतलब मनी का एक एक्स अमाउंट है। हो सकता है कि आपने अंबानी वेडिंग की फोटो देखकर सोचा ये है परफेक्ट लाइफ, और मेरी लाइफ तो परफेक्ट नहीं है। हैव यू एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट? हैव यू गॉन थ्रू इट? I would like to know about your experiences. You can unmute yourself or you can type in the chat box so that I can know that you are listening. And if you interact, then it will be a great opportunity for me to know you. Yeah, you have observed. Great. If you haven't observed, then you can share your experience. But if you can see around yourself, परफेक्शन का एक जो डिजायर है, it stops us from becoming a magnet to miracles. And so, in today's introductory session, I want to lay a foundation. तो आपको फाउंडेशन क्या ले करना है? सबसे पहला पॉइंट, यू आर, आपके माइंड में अगर परफेक्शन की कोई डेफिनेशन है ना, तो पहले तो आप परफेक्ट हो। लेकिन आप परफेक्ट का मतलब क्या है ये समझो। परफेक्ट का मतलब ये नहीं है कि एक पर्टिकुलर जो मैंने यहाँ वहां से डेटा लिया है उसमें मैं फिट हो जाऊं। परफेक्ट का मतलब ये है कि एवरी पर्सन इन दिस वर्ल्ड इंक्लूडिंग मी एंड अदर्स इज परफेक्ट। जैसे बनाया है वैसा परफेक्ट है। तो मेरा काम क्या है? परफेक्शन में जाना ही नहीं है। मेरा काम है एवरी डे आई नीड टू इम्प्रूव, टू टेक माई वर्क एंड थिंकिंग टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल। और परफेक्ट है आप तो ये कर सकते हो, सामने वाला इंसान भी कर सकता है। लेकिन इस जर्नी में हम दूसरों पे काम नहीं करेंगे, खुद पे काम करेंगे। सो नंबर वन पॉइंट इज बिल्डिंग योर बिलीफ दैट यू आर गुड इनफ। यू आर गुड इनफ। एंड द रिचेस, नंबर टू पॉइंट, द रिचेस यू डिजायर। व्हाट इज द रिचेस? रिचेस का मतलब सिर्फ मनी नहीं है। मनी इज one part of having riches, but riches matlab having harmonious relationships, having many moments of love and laughter, and having joyful moments, trying to look for joy, and then having great health and energy to spend your day at the end of the day feeling fulfilled, that it was a great day, and you can go to sleep in moments, in minutes. Not that something is bothering you, not that something is stressing you out, not that you're comparing your work with someone else's and feeling as if you are not enough. No, these are not riches, right? So the riches are in your reach. The access to riches has been given to everyone. And our work is to look for the riches. Our work is not to chase it. Our work is to align our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, which will lead to the required actions in such a way that we become a magnet, attractive magnet to what we want. So the foundation is alignment, right? Now, I would like to have some uh, inputs from you. According to you, what is the biggest challenge in your life? What are you struggling with the most? It can be any area. And why is it important for you to share? Because I want you to have the next 5 days as really the magic mornings. The magic mornings. And why 8 a.m.? Because if you are here even for 20-25 minutes, 8 a.m. to 8:25 a.m., this is what we have decided the time, 8 a.m., 8:25 a.m. Starting like this is the introductory session. And from tomorrow, it will be like day one, day two, day three. So if you start creating this structure, listening to something like this is the breakfast of your mind. So I call it as mindset capsules. If you have this multivitamin mindset capsule every morning, just recognize and observe how you feel at the end of the day. We are just setting the foundation. We are setting the foundation so that when you carry out with your work after 8:30 a.m., whatever work you are in, you're a business person, you're a working professional, you are a homemaker, you are a caretaker, whatever you are, or you're a trader, when you start your work, your mind will start operating from a different perspective, and then see what miracles or what kind of amazing results you create in these 5 days, right? So, yes, thank you so much, Sharmila. You said that inferiority feeling. Great. Thank you for sharing inferiority feeling. This is, uh, I really appreciate your courage and boldness. So, all of you, do you know that when Sharmila is saying inferiority feeling, it is not that Sharmila is suffering with it. It means that every one of you is feeling that at some point of life, and even today, every person has had self-esteem issues, feeling inferior to someone. How many of you agree with this? So we are actually sailing in the same boat. We are sailing in the same boat. But when we don't, yes, very good. Thank you so much for your response. So we all are sailing in the same boat, but when we don't recognize it or thinking that this is not for me, ये मेरा नहीं है, नहीं मेरा ये problem ही नहीं है. We are fooling ourselves. We are fooling ourselves because unless and until you see and recognize the problem, how will you treat it? It is just like unless and until a doctor diagnoses the disease properly, how is it possible to use his own knowledge for writing the medicines or planning the treatment plan or planning surgical or non-surgical treatment? Right? So, how many of you feel that recognizing the problem is one important thing that Sharmila has inspired us to? Thank you, Sharmila. I appreciate your sharing. Thank you very much. So, inferiority feeling. What else? What are the other challenges that you all are facing? So, if it is health, then we can take one day on emotional health. If you feel that it is money, and we can take one session for money. So, whatever you face, the sessions are going to get designed according to what you want, right? As I already said, manifestation is a vast means it's like an ocean. आपको क्या चाहिए? So look at this as if the universe is asking you through me, what do you want? So what will be your answer? Health? Okay, set up new business or profession. Amazing, amazing, great, great. Health, business, yeah. Okay, so health and business. Archana, Ravi, appreciate your response. Anyone else? All right. So there's a very beautiful line. If you want to have great health, great energy for the day, and if you want to set up your new business, both require the same thing. Why? Because both are the things which require your own initiative. If you want to improve your health, for example, can you hire someone, जा यार आज मेरे लिए exercise करके आ please, आज मन नहीं है. Is it possible? No. It is not possible to have. So people who create great feats in health department, आपने देखा है किसी ने मैराथन 42 किलोमीटर कवर कर लिया, 21 किलोमीटर या 10 किलोमीटर even, or if any sports person achieves some great goal, we really feel from within. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, मतलब at that time we don't feel jealous, envy, any negative feeling. We feel good. Why? And respect also comes from within. Why does that happen? Because all of us know that health is one area where you cannot hire people and get things done. Right? But then something stops us. यही चीज कि अरे मुझे करना पड़ेगा, मेरे अलावा ये कोई नहीं कर सकता. And your mind again starts stopping you. Similarly, if you want to go ahead and start your new business or scale up your present business to the next level, what happens? होगा कि नहीं? इवन हेल्थ में अगर कोई आपने नए ट्रेनर को हायर किया है या फिर आपको नया बिजनेस करना, होगा कि नहीं, लेकिन मुझे रिजल्ट मिलेगा कि नहीं? ये बताओ पहले, रिजल्ट मिलेगा क्या? अगर मेरा सिक्स पैक है नेक्स्ट 5-6 मंथ्स में नहीं बना, इसका मतलब ये मेरे लिए है ही नहीं, ये मेरे लिए वर्क नहीं करता। अगर मेरा एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ इनकम नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स में नहीं होता है, दैट मीन्स दिस बिजनेस डजंट वर्क फॉर मी। और फिर ये सारा जब आप when you just do this kind of thoughts and create these thoughts, it creates a limiting belief inside your mind which stops you from creating the desired results. Why? Because everything that you do, health, business, relationship, it requires one very, very important quality and skill. And that important quality is courage. Courage. सबसे पहले courage. Why courage? Because our mind operates and all the limiting beliefs, all the obstacles, all the struggles, आपको जितना भी पता है ना इस दुनिया में, everything, सबका origin है fear. सबका origin है fear. और fear का antidote है courage. तो अगर आपको हेल्थ में कुछ करना है, आपको करेज की जरूरत है। अगर आपको बिजनेस नया सेटअप करना है, आपको करेज की जरूरत है। आपको अगर रिलेशनशिप में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन क्रिएट करना है, यहाँ भी आपको करेज की जरूरत है। बिकॉज व्हेन देयर इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू टू लिसन टू अदर पर्सन, एनीथिंग कैन कम अप फ्रॉम अदर साइड। इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज लवी डोवी हंकी डोरी थिंग्स। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू एग्री विद दिस? इवन बिजनेस में चैलेंजेस आएंगे, हेल्थ में चैलेंजेस आएंगे, right? So last 4 minutes, we are going to start our day one tomorrow, and this was just an introduction. Magic morning sessions are going to start from tomorrow 8 a.m. to 8:25 a.m. to set up a foundation of manifestation in your day, so that you can go ahead with higher vibration and create an impact, create some great things in the world, in your own world. So how many of you feel that this is going to be useful for many people out there? If you feel that this can be useful, then you are free to invite anyone you feel that हाँ अगर ये आ जाए तो इनको बहुत फायदा होगा, ऐसा आपको अगर लगता है तो everyone is welcome, because as I shared that the intention of this session is to create more magics in your life, just like universe has been kind to me to create multiple magical moments in the last year in my life. This is just the celebration of manifestation, and my intention is to keep it simple. बिल्कुल आप स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। अगर किसी को कुछ पता भी नहीं है ना, यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। Call them, invite them. Let us see what we all create together in this manifestation journey. Anything to share for you? You can unmute yourself, you can share, or you can ask question.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jasbir ji. How are you doing?
Very fine, very fine. I am in Kota, near to Jaipur.
Okay, great.
And I am traveling. और मैं आपको बहुत सारा धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ for this effort. You have changed so many lives. आपको वो अचानक पता चला होगा ना, जिससे भगवान जी काम कर देते हैं, उनको नहीं पता होता कि कितने लोगों का कल्याण हुआ, like this, है ना?
Exactly.
तो आपके एक स्टूडेंट जिसने कभी आपकी कोई क्लास अटेंड की होगी, he has written a book on 30 days challenge, and you just come across कि कोई और आपके अभी मेंटी शेयर करते हैं कि I have heard your name और I have read your name, तो आपको लगता है ठीक है, फल लग रहे हैं मेरे पेड़ में. So like we are all creatures of God, and हम अलग अलग तरीके से, मतलब रवि अग्रवाल जी भी कई सारे सेशन से जुड़े हुए हैं. आप तो बहुत ही बड़ा काम कर रही हैं. मैं एसोसिएट नहीं हो पाया जो एक कोर्स में था, बट आई एम ऑलवेज कीपिंग इन टच. आपके जितने मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, आई एम स्टोरिंग देम, आई एम शेयरिंग इट, एंड वी आर ऑल ट्राइंग कि ये जो एक लाइफ है इसको थोड़ा वर्थवाइल कर दिया जाए. और कभी अपने बारे में देखते हैं आईने में तो लगता है अरे मैंने तो ठीक से मैनिफेस्ट नहीं किया, मुझे कुछ और चाहिए. तो जो आपने बताया ना, परफेक्ट कोई चीज नहीं है, एक्सेलेंस है. तो आखिरी सांस तक थोड़ा और एक्सीलेंट हो जाए, थोड़ा और इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाए, और क्रिप नहीं करके खुशी खुशी, ये लाइक इट्स पैडलिंग, इट्स लाइक साइकिलिंग, साइकिल करते करते कहीं पहुंच जाए. सो आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू यू. और आपने बहुत ही प्रिसाइज 25 मिनट्स रखा है और 5 days रखा है, तो इट्स वेरी मैनेजेबल.
Yeah,
मैं जितने लोगों को शेयर करूंगा, मैं ये कहूंगा कि बहुत कम समय है और कम दिन है. कम ऑन, आ जाइए, अच्छा लगेगा तो हैव मोर ऑफ इट देन.
exactly,
सो
exactly.
वंस अगेन, मैं एक हाथ से मोबाइल पकड़ा हूं, इसलिए दोनों हाथ नहीं जोड़ पा रहा हूं, लेकिन फ्रॉम माय हार्ट आई वांट टू से इट्स अ ग्रेट वर्क यू आर डूइंग. थैंक यू सो मच एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक. बहुत सारे लोगों को फर्क पड़े. आई प्रे टू गॉड फॉर दैट. थैंक यू,
Thank
थैंक
you.
यू, थैंक यू,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
थैंक
Yes.
यू मैम.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Yes.
the empowering session.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. So see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. The link.
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Yes. Yes. Please, Gajanan.
Good morning.
Good
Prashant.
morning. Good morning. Must.
Very good, very good. Ma'am, actually really appreciable about you that you are giving much more things than expectations. And actually, yesterday I just called my one friend. He's genuinely, he requires manifestation. He told me that I'm doing all the best from my side, but as expected results or expectations or what he expected didn't coming. So I realized today morning he requires this.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Just can you please share the today's recording so that I can share with him and
Sure.
invite him for tomorrow's.
Sure, sure. I'll definitely share the YouTube recording of this session and see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. Thank you, Gajana, for your sharing. Thank you, Jasbir ji. I don't want to take more time because we are committed to not take more time from your schedule so that you can give your best in your work area. So take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.